So for this example, we're looking at Savannah, who's 28, works full-time as an office assistant. Her W-2 shows she earned $58,373 in taxable wages, and she paid $6,075.48 in federal taxes, $2,148.86 in California state taxes, and she earned $47 in taxable interest. So we're going to go ahead and complete the 1040. So on the 1040, again, select the correct filing status and fill in the information. With this one, we're only given Savannah's name and we aren't given a W-2 that has additional information. So we're going to go ahead and leave that blank. On line 1, that is her wages. So that is the $58,373. Now it mentioned taxable interest. So taxable interest, it was mentioned. So it's going to be the $47. So we do need to include that as part of income. This would be like money earned off of like a savings account. So we're going to go ahead now. Everything else below 3B through 8 will be 0. So our total income, we're going to add our two income amounts together to get $58,420. So again, there's no adjustments that are made. So our total adjusted gross income is the $58,420. Standard deduction. So we're going to go ahead and take the standard deduction of the $12,400. So again, that's stated over here because she is single. When we take that amount away from our adjusted gross income, we have a total taxable income of $46,020. So again, $46,020. This is the number that we're going to go ahead and go over to our tax tables and look up that information. So on $46,020, that falls in this row right here. And she is single, so it's the first column. And so her taxable or her tax amount is $5,916. So $5,916. We're going to go ahead and include that on line 16 of our tax form. So $5,916. This is the tax amount that she is supposed to pay. So we're going to go ahead and carry that number down on those other lines that are needed. Remember, if it doesn't mention anything, most of those schedules don't apply in our situation. So the total tax liability for Savannah is $5,916. Line 25 is where we pull the federal income tax that was withheld. So on Form W-2, the federal income tax that was withheld was stated as $6,075.48. And typically we just round to the nearest dollar. So we're going to keep $6,075. We're going to go ahead and carry that amount down on the line 25D. There's no additional credits or payments that were made. So the total payment that was made, that Savannah made, was $6,075. We compare line 33 with line 24, and we find the difference between the two. So again, we compare line 33 with line 24, and we notice that Savannah has paid $6,075. She was required to pay $5,916. So she has overpaid and is entitled to a refund. The refund is the difference between those two amounts, which is $159. So again, her total payments was $6,075. Her tax liability was $5,916. So she paid more than her liability, and she receives that difference in a refund, which is $159.